What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I'm going to just jump right into this video because I really want to drive home a couple points today in regards to building a business online and just doing affiliate marketing and making income. Now, I'm in my email right now, and I actually have a couple affiliate commissions that came through. But what I really want you guys to kind of pay attention to is this one right here, where it says Piggyback System Review. And so let's just look at this and open it up so you can see I've earned a commission of $177.30 from the Piggyback System review discount. So what I want you guys to understand is when you're doing affiliate marketing, there's going to be so much programs and products and services and different things that you can promote as an affiliate. But what I want you guys to really understand is that you really need to be focused on evergreen products that is going to make you money, today, tomorrow, next month, the month after, 6 months from now, and continue to make you money. Now, if I go over to my YouTube channel, you can actually go back. I can actually take you back. This is probably 3 months ago when I actually started promoting this Piggyback System. And by the way, this is a free system that you guys can get access to start building your list. And it's a funnel that you can actually earn income to. And I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can check it out. But you can actually see where, this is where I had started kind of promoting this system initially. You can see the Piggyback System right there. You may can see it right there. Hopefully you saw it. If not, you can go to the channel, check out these videos. But I actually did a case study where this whole week I was showing you how is this earning from this system. And then I, kind of sprinkled in some additional videos in here where I'm showing you where I'm earning from the system still. Here's another video, and it just keeps going on and on and on. And really the point I'm trying to make is that you really need to be promoting evergreen type products and programs that are going to pay you not just today, but they're always going to kind of pay you going on in the future. So, even if I went back to my email, let's just see here, if we go back, this affiliate commission here, this is a partner with Anthony affiliate commission. This one right here is an ambassador club. This is a high ticket Anthony Morrison product, which is in that whole hub of suite of products. And again, so you got a high ticket, you got a low ticket. So again, there's some commonalities that I want you guys to really see when it comes to promoting these products. So this is the Piggyback System. This is something that I've showed you guys a couple months ago, and it's still making me money, right? So it's not just one of these fly by night type of one-offs. Let me just make a quick buck and then it's gone. I've been making consistent income with this funnel for months, right? I've been making consistent income with the partner with Anthony and their suite of products for years. And I can go on and on and on. So my point is, I want you guys to really try to find evergreen products. So one of the questions you might be asking yourself, well, how do you continue to promote evergreen products and continue to make money from these evergreen products, for months and years to come? So one of the things that you can do is you can get a software called ClickMagick, and I'll leave a link in the description for the ClickMagick. And ClickMagick is basically a rotator. So I can have evergreen product 1, evergreen product 2, evergreen product 3, evergreen product 4, evergreen product 5, and I can have all of them, these evergreen products, in one rotator, right? So I can have a rotator, and so I can pay for traffic. I can buy a solo ad myself, or I can send some sort of paid traffic, whether it's Facebook ads, or I could be doing free marketing, and I can send it to that one link, and then that traffic will rotate through all of those different evergreen funnels and evergreen products. So I'm constantly getting good traffic to these evergreen high converting products. So that's what you want to do. You want to find 4 or 5 high converting funnels, high converting products that consistently make income. If you go in my YouTube channel, you will see that I've been making income from this Piggyback System. I've been making income from partnering with Anthony and their suite of products. This is not a one-off thing. So then you send traffic to that one link, you can rotate those offers in there, and then you can make money consistently going forward. The other way you can do it is you have a standard funnel, and you can push traffic through that standard funnel, and then you can have your evergreen offers in your follow-up sequences. So I do that as well. So that's two different ways you can continually get traffic to these evergreen offers. But the point is you want to continue to promote them because they're converting and they're making money. So I just wanted to make a quick video so you guys can understand this, and I hope that makes sense. You know, hit the like button if that makes sense to you guys. What I'm really trying to say is you need to be promoting high converting offers that are evergreen, that are solid products, solid training, things that people are going to buy today, tomorrow, next week, and next month, and next year, right? So I'm going to leave a link again to the Piggyback marketing system. I've talked about this. I'm not going to talk about it right now because I've already talked about it. You can check out some of those videos, but essentially guys, you can go ahead and sign up for this. It's a free funnel so you can actually start building your list. There is an upgrade if you want to get some additional training and the license rights to start making money with this. But if you just want to use it to build your list, it's a great list building tool. So go ahead and check it out in the link in the description. And let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know if there's any evergreen products or funnels or services that you're promoting that's been making you money for a long time. I would love to hear about it. These are the type of things that we need to be sharing with each other, because the main thing that a lot of affiliate marketers fail to do is continue to make some consistent money. And a lot of times that's due to the products that they're actually selling. So that is a factor in if you're going to make the sale. It has to be a high converting product. You got to be getting traffic. You got to be doing email marketing. There's a few different components obviously you need to be doing, but you know, if you don't have the product right, it don't matter how much traffic you get to it. If it's not high converting, if nobody likes it, if it doesn't convert, then you could be sending the best quality traffic you have and it's just not going to sell. So hope that made sense. If it did, hit the like button. And if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.